Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are in Silvermine. We're going to check out the waterfall. Hopefully you guys been enjoying the channel with me. As you guys see, I've been exploring a lot of nature and hopefully you guys enjoy it with me. So on to the next. Let's go. Okay guys, so we're off. Let's go. So for those wondering where I am today, I am in Silvermine. But this is the back route. We're gonna do, gonna explore the waterfall. Then we're gonna see if we can find a nice spot to grill. And as you guys know, I'm gonna grill some prawns again. So let's go. Bags packed. Let's go. Quite windy today. Looks like when I do these excursions, it's always windy for some reason. Show you guys a look. There's a road there. So hopefully you guys enjoy the vlog with me. And don't forget to comment, like and subscribe. See some people there in the distance, obviously coming from the waterfall, but we're gonna go further than them. We're gonna push ourselves today. Hopefully I get some great content and some shots today. And for you guys who don't know, you can follow me on Insta, you can follow me on TikTok. I'll link everything in the bio. The weather is perfect. So yesterday it rained whole day, all night. So hopefully there's water in the waterfall. So let's see. Otherwise, type in a comment what you guys been up to. Where do you guys want to see me go next? I'm just gonna do a few more shoots here in Cape Town, and then I'm gonna go more in country. I'm gonna go Wellington side. I'm gonna go that side.
If you don't do anything about it.
Aye.
Because this is not okay.
See, there's all the cars that side. So if I'm correct, the waterfall will be down here in some gorge. So let's go. There's quite a lot of people here today. See a lot of like side trails. I see the water flowing, so hopefully the waterfall will be quite full. Okay, let's continue. Just took a small break there quick. Wonder if I'm gonna see some wildlife today. Normally they hibernate this time. And if you guys haven't seen my 24-hour video of me stranded on the beach, Go check it out. Also comment below if you guys want me to make longer form videos. Do you guys want to see more shorts? Just comment below. I reply to every comment. See, there's some people on the trails. So if I'm correct, just gonna go over this hill. The waterfall will be down there. Because I see all the water is going somewhere. So let's see. Whew. What a day. We need to somehow find a place to barbecue. How's the wind? So we're gonna have to find a pocket somewhere. Okay, so I just checked the maps. We're about 5 minutes away, 5-10 minutes away from the waterfall. See this side. I think I hear the waterfall. Yep. There we go. There's the waterfall. Okay guys, so we spotted the waterfall. Now we have to get to it. So you can see there's like a little side path we can go. So when you get to this little beacon, this will be the side path. So let me show you guys. See this couple of people there, but it doesn't look like they're going down. We have to be extra careful here. Rocks are quite slippery. So I'm just going to put the camera away and then I'm going to make my way down there. Okay, we've made it yet to the waterfall. We need to try and make our way down. So this is the waterfall going down. So I'm just going to put myself one side. We've made it to the top of the waterfall. It's a long drop. So I'm going to try and work my way down because I don't see any way down that side. So let's go this side. I'll be back with you guys now. Okay guys, so we made it to the waterfall. How cool is that? Woo! Woo! Amazing. Careful we don't slip here. So what we're going to do is we're going to explore a little, see if we can find a spot where we can barbecue. Perfect. See if we can find a nice little barbecue spot. See what we can find here. Just want to try and get that side. See if there's a way around this waterfall. So refreshing. I don't know if you guys can see the rainbow from the mist. What a cool little spot. So let's see what's down here. Like an old path here, but it's wet. Looks like that part is washed away. Yeah, that part is washed away. Maybe if we try and get around. Guys, see this circle? Once you touch it, it itches your skin. Trying to avoid that pond. So wet. Like an old trail here. You have to be super careful here. Because this mountain. Hello. Where's your owner? This is your dog. Okay. Okay, that was that lady's dog. So I think we should do, I don't think you guys can see it on the camera, we should do, I think that is North Beach where there's a shipwreck. I think we should do that tomorrow. It's like an old shipwreck there on that beach, Noordhoek. I think it's called Noordhoek Beach. What a lovely day. The water was quite rough at the waterfall. So this is Silver Mine Gate 2, and then my Gate 1 we'll do next week. Pay a small entry fee, not much. I think about 40 Rand or 50 bucks, or like $2. And then there's like a little reservoir, also like a little hiking trail. I think we'll do that next time. Okay, let's make our way back to the car. I think next time we'll go to the Gate 1, just see if we can swim that side. So I brought a swimming gear. What a beautiful day. Like you guys can see, like this whole place was burnt. Most of the stuff is burnt. It's like this fire was about 2-3 years ago, and it's still burnt. Sure. So for those who want to do this trail, it's quite an easy trail. Probably will take you about an hour, 2 hours. But if you're going to go down to the waterfall, you're going to have to add an extra 100 minutes to your time. See, there's like little paths here. I think all the dogs drink here. What a beautiful day. So blessed. So this hike took me now about 2.5 hours, 3 hours. If you're not used to it, it might take you a little bit longer. Not that I'm saying I'm fit. This is normal terrain for me now. Luckily I just ran out of water and a drink. think next time we should scale this mountain as well. Or maybe I'll do another 24-hour on the beach. But like I said, guys, if you want longer form videos, click the like button so I can see. Costs you nothing, just a like, then I can say, okay, cool, got some feedback, because I'm willing to travel far. I think we should do Thailand again. Want to do India, want to do Varanasi, do Vietnam. And explore all the mountain terrain and see which one has the best waterfall. Also, if you guys want to see food reviews, I'll post a lot of food reviews on my shorts. So I'll find a nice little braai spot, barbecue spot, and I'll grill up the prawns. It's the end of this video for you guys. I'm sure there's like a little dam here, a reservoir somewhere here that I saw when I drove here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this journey with me. I'll show the board at the end, and you guys can Google it. You guys can see how long the trail is. There's a few people there in front of me. But they just do the hiking. They didn't do the waterfall and that. Very seldom that people go there. Some trail runners, quite brave to trail run, yeah. Takes you 6-7 hours. I'm not that brave. Trail run, I rather enjoy the view. No offense. So that's the vlog, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that. Only took 3 hours. So on our next trip, we're gonna do, I think we should do gate 1. But we arrive here back at the car park, so I'm gonna show you guys quick the entrance. So that's the gate 2. So we are here, walked away, walked till there, and then obviously the river goes all the way down there. But we're gonna go to gate 1 is here. We'll do that one next. But that's it, guys. So I'm gonna get in my car now. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that vlog with me. So on to the next.